Good evening. It's nice to see you, Lisa.
Good evening, John. I'm happy to see you too. How have you been?
I've been okay. I've missed our talks. What about you?
I've missed our talks too. It's been a hectic few weeks.
Really? What happened?
Work has been really busy, and I've had some family issues to deal with.
I'm sorry to hear that. Is everything okay now?
It's getting better. Thanks for asking. How about you? How's your family?
They're doing well. My sister just had a baby.
That's wonderful news. Congratulations. How is she doing?
She's great. The baby is healthy and adorable.
That's lovely. Babies bring so much joy.
They do. It's been a happy time for us.
I'm glad to hear that. It's nice to have some good news amidst the chaos.
Yes, it is. How's your work going? You mentioned it was hectic.
It's been very demanding, but I'm managing. We have a big project coming up.
That sounds challenging. Do you need any help?
Thanks for the offer, John. I think I'll be okay, but it's nice to know you're there for me.
Always, Lisa. Friends support each other.
Yes, they do. I appreciate you a lot.
I appreciate you too. By the way, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not really. I was thinking of just relaxing at home. What about you?
I was planning to go for a hike. Would you like to join me?
That sounds like a great idea. I'd love to. I need a break from everything.
Perfect. It's a beautiful trail. We can enjoy nature and catch up.
I'm looking forward to it. Thanks for inviting me.
Anytime, Lisa. This is going to be fun.
It definitely will be. I can't wait.
Neither can I. It's been too long since we did something together.
Yes, it has. This will be a great way to reconnect.
Agreed. Let's make the most of it.
Absolutely. See you on Saturday then.
See you on Saturday. Take care, Lisa.
You too, John. Bye for now.
Bye.